So I added here just a few challenges according to the type of substrate. Um, for example, cleaning glass facades and windows. Um, it's one of those cases where bleach is not exactly the probably the best option um, due to the streaks that it leaves and to the rinsing. Um, but of course, then comes the height requirements and the limitations and the visibility of while spraying any type of chemical. Um, Wind turbines and other tall structures, a whole different set of requirements. We have now turbines that are over 500 feet tall here in Europe. So it's not your normal drone that's will be able to clean the blades or the tower of it. Also, it's a 3D structure, so you need to be well aware of your surroundings when flying drones. And go figure, they are in windy areas. So I think it's one of the biggest challenges for a drone cleaner. But they also, the costs and the price of cleaning a wind turbine is quite different from cleaning a commercial building, so to speak. The buildings and rooftops, it's probably where the bleach works best, and it's where it's more present. Rooftops, walls, anything that has any type of biological growth is where you'll see bleach excelling at the cleaning. But when you go into any type of grease, ammonia, ambient pollution, usually bleach comes short because it's not a degreaser of any kind. And that's where combining a chemical with the bleach is probably your best option. And maybe it's when you take your power wash equipment off and it becomes a solution. On the industrial buildings and equipment, all the inorganic stuff especially is where you really need a specialized cleaning agent to be able to take it off. It's where, in these cases, the chemical has to do 99% of the work because just water pressure won't do much. And we come to solar, where cleaning solar with drones is a really niche application. We see it as an option, for example, for the growing niche of the agro PV, where the structures are really tall, access to the panels is very limited. You have crops underneath that you don't want to touch in any way. Access to the middle of the panels is painful, but you still have to handle your hose between all those panels. So it's a tricky application. We have seen people using also drones for floating solar plants, where you don't want your robot 10 centimeters away from falling into the water. So there are cases where drones make sense. On our case, speaking a little bit on solar, on our case, applying chemicals, specialized chemicals with a drone on the big rooftops can be an option, where access to the middle of the panels is there is no walkways or something like that. It can be an interesting option, using your soft wash equipment to apply specialized detergents, because in this case you really don't need high pressure, or use your high pressure with a foamer, and you can foam the entire table of modules, and then come with a robot afterwards, for example. As I told before, it's just one more tool to have as an option.